Goan Clam Curry. How to make Goan Clam Curry? So tamarind, these are tamarind, fresh, nice and fresh. Cracked like this. 3 to 4 we're gonna soak in a lukewarm water or warm water. Clams, 3 packets, 400 grams each. Wash before you use it. Here I'm using a rock salt, pink rock salt. You can use any salt, whatever salt you like, whatever salt you have. You're going to marinate this for at least half an hour. How to make a masala preparation? Green chili. These are bird's eyes green chili. They are very spicy. Half coconut. Red chili 6. 1 tablespoon dry coriander seed. 10 to 15 black peppercorn. And turmeric. I like a fresh turmeric flavor. That's why I'm doing like this. You can use turmeric powder if you don't have. Around 1 teaspoon. Add some water, make a masala paste. De-seed tamarind and make a pulp. Add into the masala and grind it again. The reason we have to do this so we don't lose the flavor and the color. This is what I want. Our masala paste is ready. Some water. Once the pot is hot enough, add some oil and then 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute onion. Three to 4 green chilies, fresh green chilies. Now add clams and we're going to saute 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes is done. Now it's time to add masala paste. Once you add a masala paste, it's going to take exactly 10 minutes. Add some water. Check salt. This is the time to check salt. Let's check if the salt is okay. Smell so amazing and the taste, of course, is marvelous. So that's it for the day. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, namaskar.